Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I actually forgot to do this intro for this video, so I'm just doing it quickly now. I'm going to be doing fake whipped cream. I saw this on all the Bookstagram photos, and I saw a DIY video from Bargain Bethany. What I'll do is I'll link her channel below, because it's, even though I'm in South Africa and we don't have a dollar store, it's very interesting what she gets done. And I mean, we have other shops here that we can go to that they don't have everything the same, but you know, you make a plan with what you can find. So I'll link her below, and I saw on her she made fake whipped cream. This one, you'll see that I used the normal filler because I couldn't find the lightweight speckle, which is what they use. But you'll see in the video what happens, and then at the end of the video I tell you, you know, what I've learned from it. But let's run the intro and get to the video. I love being creative and trying new things in my journey through life. Writing best practices, tips and tricks, sharing updates on my own writing and books with different tutorials sprinkled in between. I enjoy sharing my knowledge. There's music covers and original pieces written and composed by me. Handmade jewelry reveals, sewing videos, other crafts, poetry reading, book reviews, and many, many more. Come and join me on this journey, and let's have fun together. Okay, so what I've got for this that I've seen that I need to get, I have a set of nozzles for cake decorating and different cardboard, what is the word? Straws. A scissors, cardboard to draw the circles out on, a pencil, polystyrene balls. I've got wooden spoons, but you can also have plastic spoons. Something to stir it in. I've got the two different mugs that I'm going to be using to do the circles, because it'll be the ones that I'll be using in the photos. I've got real sprinkles, brown chocolate paint, white paint, Mod Podge, and this Smith & Co. Ready Mix crack filler. It's not lightweight like the Americans have, because there is no lightweight that I could find here. I've also got some cupcake cases that are like a tie-dye effect, a knife to cut the polystyrene balls, and then the icing bags, which I'm gonna use to do the actual fake toppers. I'm also just got some black or white bags that I'm going to be working on, so that I don't damage my counter. Just please excuse the light, because I'm doing this at night time, and I've only got one ring light. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to measure out my mugs. I'm following it's like YouTube videos that I've watched. They say like you need to do it on this on the cardboard, so that you can lift it up. And obviously you can't do it in your mug, because you're going to be drinking out of your mug. And this is just a topper. So that's done. Next thing I want to do is I want to cut my polystyrene ball in half. I'm going to cut the one in half, and, or actually, yeah, I'm going to cut the one in half, and the other one I'm just going to cut a little bit off, because I want to put it into the cup, into this one. Oh, that wasn't too bad. And put that in there. These are basically just fillers. so that you don't have to fill this whole thing with the crack. This looks funny. Okay, I'm just going to use cold wood glue. Just put a little bit on there. Okay, now I need to cut the edge off over there. Now I need to mix the crack filler and the paint. I'm doing that because I want it to be very white, and also I need it to be thinner, because in so my card was full, so I had to go and first copy it over. I really need to get another bigger card. Okay, so in America they use the lightweight one, and this is not lightweight. I couldn't find lightweight anywhere. Even on Google it doesn't show anywhere in South Africa, so it looks like we don't make it. But I see that some of the people make it a bit thinner and lighter by adding paint, so that's what I'm going to do and see if it works. So I'm going to use this holder just because you don't want to use something that can get damaged. And then also this wooden spoon that I bought specifically for this, or wooden spoons. This stuff smells like, what's it? Perm lotion. Okay, and now you need to put it on like whipped cream. You're going to start from the outside and then work your way inwards. Take these ones, straws, and then you need to cut it shorter. So I think I'm going to cut it about there. Now we have to wait for it to dry before I can put the fake chocolate spread on. So these things finally dried. It took 2 days to get them to dry. They cracked in a few places, so I'm going to try and cover those places with chocolate. I'm going to see how it goes. And this was the cupcake that I did. And then I just had this as an extra piece of something. So now to make the chocolate sauce, I saw with Bargain Bethany, she takes the paint, like craft paint or acrylic paint, and she mixes it with Mod Podge to give it a shiny effect. So I'm going to do that quickly. Or let me first do this. I'm going to cut off the excess of the yellow cardboard. Now, she didn't know the consistency in her video, and I also don't know the consistency, so I'm going to be playing around with it. But it needs to be like chocolate, you know, chocolate spread that you throw over ice creams and stuff. Okay, now I'm going to add the decoupage, or the Mod Podge, should I say, sorry. I'm not too sure how much you must add, so I'm going to use a stick to mix it. This is supposed to be like a runny but not so runny consistency, so that when I pour it out I can throw it over it like that or drizzle it. But as you can see, it's not going to drizzle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little bottle that's got a nozzle on it, and I'm going to put it in there, and then I will push it on, because if I just keep mixing and mixing, I'm going to have so much paint left. So let me go and get that bottle quickly. Okay, so the bottle looks like this, and then with the little thing that I have to cut open, I'm just going to get it in here. Okay, let's see if we can get it to work. So that worked. I'm just going to lift it up, and I'm going to put it on, yeah, just so we can see what it looks like. There we go. A fake topper. That looks pretty cool. So that was a fake topper. I must tell you, I don't know if you remember in the beginning of the video I said I couldn't find lightweight spackling or filler, and then I happened to see some at a place that we've got here in South Africa called Leroy Merlin. When I googled, so, I changed my Google search, and then I found it at Leroy Merlin. They're the only ones that have it. So they've got a litre bottle for 130 Rand, so I'm going to be going to get that probably on the weekend or whenever, and then I'm going to try this again, but I'm going to do it off camera, and then if I get it right, then I will and if it comes out better than these ones, then I will do another video with the lightweight one, just so that we can see the difference between the two. So I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did, if you could please give it a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed already, if you can please do so and click the subscription block below. It shows support for my channel, and it also helps my channel and helps me a lot, and I will always appreciate any support that I get. And then if you look in the description block below, you will see all of my social media, including my blog, which is where you'll find more content from me. And if you go to www.patreon.com/Ondeane Lourens, then you will also find more content from me, and it's also where you can support what I do on this channel and also what I do on my blog. If you have any ideas that you'd like me to do, any crafts or anything, you can just comment below. If there's anything you'd like me to try, and see if I can get it right. I always like new challenges, so you can always just comment below and I'll see if it's within my budget and if I can do it. And I hope that you have a lovely day further. Enjoy your moment. Goodbye.